National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a flash flood warning for Penobscot County in east central Maine. This includes the cities of Old Town, Newport, Lincoln, Howland, Dexter, Bangor, Hampton, southern Piscataquis County in north central Maine. This includes the cities of Guilford, Greenville, Dover, Foxcroft, Brownville Junction, extreme southeastern Aroostook County in northern Maine, Hancock County in southeast Maine. This includes the cities of Ellsworth, Bucksport, Blue Hill, Bar Harbor, Washington County in southeast Maine. This includes the cities of Vanceboro, Machias, Lubec, Eastport, Danforth, Cherryfield, Calais, until 3 o'clock p.m. at 11 o'clock a.m. Trained weather spotters reported very heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches per hour, which will create flash flooding. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bangor, Bar Harbor, Medway, Eastport, and East Millinocket.
This is KEC 93 in Ellsworth, Maine. Hazardous weather is forecast for parts of this transmitter's listening area.